Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of August 31st through September 6th. And I'm using this kit from Minivan Dreams called Mug in a Book, and it's so cute with all these little full boxes and then the bottom washi, which is going to be a little short, but I'm going to make it work. I pulled some washi. This one's from AliExpress, this one's from Michael's, this one's from Amazon, and these two are from the Dollar Tree. And then I also pulled a ton of really skinny washi, all from Amazon. So that's my plan. I pulled a few extras to kind of help fill out this kit. So my plan is to put to do today little things. I'll run the boxes through the middle, put down the headers, put these down, so that hopefully works out. It's going to be short on this side, so that's where I'm going to really have to figure out what I want to do to make it work out. I'm just gonna stick something here. We'll figure it out. All right, so I'm gonna put down all the boring bits. I think I'm gonna put down these boxes under the little thing section. I'm gonna do all that, speed you through all of it so you don't have to watch, and then I will be right back. Alright, here's where we currently stand with everything. As you can see, I ended up putting a couple of little washies on the edge to kind of like finish them out. I think it kind of looks cute, so I'm going to leave it. As you can see, we only have 7 full boxes here. I'm going to actually incorporate this one, which is a leftover, I think from Bella Digital Designs. And I'm going to stick that right here on Thursday because I feel like the colors go really well. See, I feel like that fits. So it's going to replace this guy, which I am going to use as my quote box right there. And then otherwise, my goal is to just like kind of alternate these just like the kit kind of says that I should. So I'm going to stick this one on this page because I don't want like the little mug and the mug on top of the book all in the same spot. There we go. And I'm going to stick the book on Friday and the planner on Wednesday. And then put the little teapot right. Ooh, actually, I don't know. So I have a teapot and a heart. Yeah, I think I'm actually going to put them in this order. I was going to put the teapot on Monday, but I think this is actually better. Alright, there we go. There's all the full boxes. Really enjoying this. And this, like, you can't really even tell it doesn't belong in the kit. Alright, so for the sidebar, I have this set of headers here that I can use. I'll probably use some as little things as well. So I'm going to stick that in, and then I'm going to use this little work hours guy. And because I'm using this, I am not going to put my meals in the sidebar. I'm going to stick my meals through the week. Let me see. Then I'm going to, I think, stick another little header guy here. Like so. And then I have this pencil and that Let's Read, and I think I'm going to use those actually during the week. So I pulled a couple things. This is an American Crafts book. there's like this one that says The Good Life. It's a little bit tall. Also pulled another American Crafts book. And I was thinking I could pull like maybe this guy or this guy. I like this one that says You Can Do It. I think I'm just gonna stick it like that. There, I think that looks cute. Makes out my whole sidebar. Easy peasy. Okay, so now for the week. I pulled out a few things. So I pulled this Happy Planner book, and I'm going to use in here, we have these like what's for dinner stickers, and I'm going to use some of these on each day. So I'm just going to try to find colors that go as best I can and go with that. So for Monday, I think I'm going to stick in this green, even though it doesn't really match. I think it's going to be fine. Let's look at the bottom. Tuesday, maybe a yellow one. Maybe I'll put yellow on Wednesday, so I kind of like divide up these bright colors a little. I have a red. That'll go with this peach color. It will go. Some black. Try to kind of look at these colors. And then I guess I'll stick in another green one and another yellow one. Alright, my hand looks kind of crazy now. Just gonna divide these up a little bit. There we go. Alright, also on Monday, I want to mark. I was going to use my regular stickers. I think I actually want to use this guy. So I'm going to stick this in for film, edit, upload my plan with me. I feel like it kind of goes with editing. Tuesday, not sure what's going on. Wednesday, not sure what's going on. Thursday, Friday, Saturdays. None of these days I actually have like a strict plan. I'm probably going to use this Let's Read for whichever day I read a bunch. I have 5 of these that I can use like little things. But I think this might be what I can kind of do right now. Alright, so that is the before the pen. I'm not actually going to bother writing anything for you guys. Work hours, pretty much just 8 to 5, but on weekdays, nothing on Saturday and Sunday, but I'll leave that blank because I'm not sure. So this is the only thing I could really fill out. So I'm just going to skip it and stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Alright, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Very colorful, super cute, good for this week. I actually used up everything on this sheet. So no leftovers, so that's exciting. I'll go through what didn't come from the kit. The kit's from Minivan Dreams. Let's see, this is from American Crafts. The heart washies from Michael's, and then the skinnier heart washies from Amazon. All these What's for Dinner are from the Happy Planner. Let's see, and then these 2 are both from Michael's, from one of my old Recollections planners, and that's literally it. Everything else just came from the kit. Oh, and this box came from Bella Digital Designs. It's a leftover. So yeah, that's everything for this week. Please let me know what your plans are for your fall kits. I would love to know what you're using. Follow me, like and subscribe, all of that good stuff. I would really appreciate it if you aren't already. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.